Choosing a tunnel oven involves several key considerations. Production capacity. Determine how much food you plan to produce daily. Look for ovens that can handle your specific volume needs. Energy efficiency. Consider the energy consumption of the oven. More efficient models can save you money in the long run. Temperature range. Ensure the oven can reach and maintain the temperatures required for your specific baking or cooking processes. Size and footprint. Evaluate the available space in your kitchen or facility. The oven should fit comfortably while allowing for proper ventilation. Product type. Different tunnel ovens are designed for different types of food. Make sure the oven you choose is suitable for your product: bread, pastries, pizza.